In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove annoying pop-up ads on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. First, launch your Chrome browser. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Navigate to the option Site Settings. Now head over to the option Notifications. Then disable for this option Notifications and hit back. Now scroll down and click on the option Pop-up and Redirects. Disable for this option as well. Head back. Now click on the option Intrusive Ads. Toggle off for this option. Next, leave Chrome and open your phone setting. Now navigate to the option Apps. If you recently saw a pop-up, check the notification to see which app sent it. If there is an app you recognize or didn't install yourself, you can navigate to the app and click on Uninstall. If it's an app you still want to use but don't want ads from it, you can instead block its notifications, and that's it. This should stop unwanted pop-ups on your Samsung phone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.